Margaret. My name is Isabel. I'm one of the nurses here working in this hospital. I can see that you're upset. It must be sad for you. Can I give you help? This is a really challenging time for you. The healthcare team had a meeting earlier, and I suggested to the attending physician to refer you to one of our social workers who specialize in the family caregiver support.
That's good, because I really need someone to talk to.
Okay. A few moments later.
Come in. Mrs. Margaret, right? Would you prefer Mrs. Margaret or
Margaret is fine.
Okay, Margaret, can you tell me about your husband's diagnosis and how it's affected your life?
My husband has been diagnosed about 2 to 3 years ago, and then it's been hard ever since. It's hard to see him struggle with everyday tasks.
That must be incredibly challenging for you, Miss Margaret. How have you been coping with the changes in your husband's behavior and abilities?
To be honest, it's been tough. I feel like I'm losing the man I knew. He's become more withdrawn and forgetful, and sometimes he doesn't even recognize me and our kids.
I know it must have been frustrating. It's important to acknowledge your feelings and the grief you're experiencing. Can you tell me about some most difficult moments and how you've managed to cope with them?
One of the hardest things is seeing him struggle with everyday tasks, like dressing and bathing. Sometimes he gets frustrated and angry, and I feel helpless. But I've learned to take a step back, breathe, and try to find ways to make it easier for him.
That sounds like a really difficult situation. It's important to recognize that you're not alone in this. Have you considered support for a support group or counseling for yourself?
Actually, I haven't. I didn't know where to turn. But talking to you today has made me realize how much I needed support.
Always remember that I'm always here to support you, and I can provide you with the resources and options for support groups and counseling. I will arrange a meeting for you if you'd like, or coordinate with Nurse Isabel for your availability. Remember, taking care of yourself is crucial in this journey.